Alright, so I just finished putting in the concrete. I went all the way around on this side. Once I get this side jacked up and everything is level, I'm gonna start on the other side, which has the AC units and everything on. Oh, I found a new issue. There's basically only an inch of concrete on the very top. That's the reason why it's all cracked up. And more than likely rodents are getting in this way. So here's the other side. As you can see, still no bottom plate or anything. One of my friends came over and said, how the hell is it being held up? And I think it's with duct tape. I don't know where they put it, but it's doing a pretty good job. All right, so this is the house. I don't know why they put that concrete in front of the back door. I think it's to stop the water from coming in, but the problem is that whole block of concrete, it's not even attached to anything. You gotta do when you do the concrete, you gotta make sure everything is intact. But this is done. Hopefully in a couple days it'll be totally cured and I will be able to fill everything, backfill all the big cracks between this and the asphalt. That's the plan. So this has to be backfilled. I already started filling it with some of the stuff, but it doesn't look good. So if I have to, I'll chip out some stuff. I'll go ahead and drop this video and make sure you guys stay up to date on the progress of my house.